Welcome to Tech Solution.
Ring Doorbell flashing blue, how to fix. The Ring Doorbell is a popular smart home device that provides enhanced security and convenience. However, encountering issues with your Ring Doorbell can be frustrating. One such problem is the flashing blue light, which can indicate a variety of underlying issues. Check Wi-Fi connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection is a common cause of the Ring Doorbell flashing blue. Start by checking your Wi-Fi network strength and ensure that the doorbell is within range of the router. Restart your router and verify that other devices are successfully connecting to the network. If the issue persists, consider moving the router closer to the Ring Doorbell or installing a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Verify power source. The Ring Doorbell relies on a stable power supply to function properly. Ensure that the doorbell is securely connected to its power source. If your doorbell is battery-powered, check the battery level and recharge or replace it if necessary. Confirm that the wiring is intact and not damaged. Perform a reset. Resetting the Ring Doorbell can often resolve software-related issues, causing the blue light to flash. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the doorbell for about 15 seconds. This action will reset the device to its factory settings. After resetting, go through the setup process again using the Ring app. Update firmware and app. Check for firmware updates for your Ring Doorbell by opening the Ring app, navigating to the device settings, and looking for any available updates. Similarly, ensure that you have the latest version of the Ring app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Keeping both the doorbell's firmware and the app up to date can often fix bugs and address known issues, potentially resolving the flashing blue light problem.
Thanks for watching.